Hey everyone, it's Jean and Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Welcome to my channel. Today, oops, I need another light, I think. Today, what I'm doing is our group challenge, Pouring in Harmony. And I'm going to be attempting the chameleon pour. So, I have just some apple barrel paints that I've mixed with a touch of glue, not much. Floetrol I've mixed with them, and I'm using the regular yellow from apple barrel, the bright magenta from apple barrel, the spring green from apple barrel, the royal violet from apple barrel, the cobalt blue from apple barrel, and the wild iris from apple barrel. It's a lot of colors. I'm using it on a 10 by 10. It's actually just a panel from Master Such. And I did layer one layer of white paint, which is pretty much dry at this point. So I believe what we're going to do is just start. I'm not sure, should I put a little light layer of white on it? I think I will just put a little light layer of base white on there, just a little. And spread that out. This. Don't have my gloves on. Not good. Gotta get those going. Yeah. Alright, so this is just so the paint moves off of there. Should be okay. Just a very, very thin layer. There we go. I think we got it. Right there. Alright, so just wipe that off. And I'll stick it in my bucket in a minute because I definitely need to clean that bucket out. Alright. So I'm going to do it without my gloves this time. I don't know why. I just feel like getting messy. Don't ask me why. Alright, so what is that? There we go. Okay. Might have been some glitter because I was working on something that had glitter in it. So that's probably what it is. Alright, so I think what I'm going to start with... Actually, I'm going to start with the cobalt blue. And I'm just going to go... You know what? I think I'm going to do it... I'm going to do it sideways, right here. Like this. That's right. There we go. And then yellow. Here. You can tell I didn't mix up a lot. Green. I'm wondering, maybe I should stretch that down a little. Right there. Just like that. That's good. Okay. There. Now the green. This is actually a swipe you do first. Now I'm doing which one was this? I think it was the iris. here. I think I'm going to right here. My favorite colors. Very pretty purple. Spread that here, this. Yeah. As you can see, I'm really spreading this one. I love this color. Now we're going to do the pink. I have a thought of what I'm doing here. You probably think she's not going to have enough paint. You might be right. I might not. We'll find out here in a minute. Might not. Let's see what we end up with. Right here. Alright. Now this one. Here. Alright, so we got the white everywhere, right there. Alright, here we go. So let's just lay it there and bring it down. Oh, it's taking too much of it off down there. I don't like that it took that much off. Ooh, that's sort of pretty. You don't have to worry about the sides. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to put some treadmill. Where are you, treadmill? Treadmill silicone in here, like that. I probably should, no, I'm not going to torch that. I think I will not torch that. I'm going to use this pick and hope it works. I'm going to go this way. Like here, and there. Oh, I like it. It's neat looking, I gotta tell you. Huh. Alright, I don't want to drip on it, so start right here. And there. It's cool looking though, I gotta tell you, I like that weird look. It sort of looks like a snake skin or maybe an alligator skin. Interesting, really neat looking. That is really neat. I can't stop saying that's really neat because I think it's so cool looking. Like down in here you can really see the chameleon, but where there's more white you don't see it as much. You don't see that look as much, so we'll see what happens as we go. Too many. Too many. Am I running out? Do I need more? No, I got some there. Yeah. I think we have a little problem right there at the end. Let's hope that's good. Let's hope that's good. Alright, so it seems like it's running together a little. I'm not sure. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I like it. I think it's neat looking again. So, I guess what I'll do is I'll do a close-up of it and I'll make sure to show it in the front and the back of the video. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. God bless, be safe, and be happy. And come over to our group on Facebook, and Pouring in Harmony, and join our group, or even go ahead and do some of the challenges we do every week. This is our weekly challenge this week. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.